Amber Heard was back on the stand today as cross-examination continued in the high-profile defamation trial between her and her ex-husband, Johnny Depp. The former couple was married from 2015 to 2017 and have lobbed abuse claims at each other during their individual testimonies. We do want to warn you that there is mention of sexual assault, which could be triggering for some. Our Janai Norman has this report.
He knows he's lying. Otherwise, why can't he look at me? I survived that man, and I'm here, and I'm able to look at him.
Amber Heard back on the stand for a second day of cross-examination in the multi-million-dollar defamation suit filed by ex-husband Johnny Depp. That's become a case of he said, she said, amid allegations of abuse by both sides.
This is you and your friends at Coachella, correct?
That is correct.
There's no injuries to you, are there, Miss Heard, visible in this picture?
You cannot see any visible injury, no.
Heard testifying she suffered verbal, physical, and sexual abuse at the hands of Depp, detailing how she used makeup to cover bruises. Depp's lawyers looking to cast doubt on domestic abuse claims, accusing Heard of doctoring photos from May 2016 that appear to show bruising.
Isn't it true you just edited these photographs?
No, I've never edited a photograph.
Didn't you just enhance the saturation for one of these photos to make your face look more red?
No, that's incorrect. I didn't touch it.
And pushing back with pictures of their own, showing images of Heard one day after she claims Depp broke her nose.
Your nose doesn't appear to be injured in any of these pictures, does it, Miss Heard?
That's why I'm wearing makeup.
Right. And makeup covers up swelling, right?
Makeup will not cover up swelling. Ice will, though.
Making the case that Depp is the real victim.
I don't want a divorce. I never wanted a divorce. I never wanted a divorce. You came around the bed and start punching on me.
On the stand, Heard testified to Depp's jealousy, which she said would lead to violence. Depp's team playing audio, attempting to show the jury it was Heard who was jealous.
There's no other place for you to run in your 15 other houses to go run. Come on, go be a real married man. Go deal with your the way that a man does. Go run to the next house. Every man does. Yeah. Go. Run away. That's what I do.
You're the most spoiled brat. And you got everybody out here almost full, but it don't last long.
You're right. I'm sorry. You're right. You got it figured out. Yeah, because no one does 21 drug street when they're in their 20s. No, you're right. That's not selling out.
You were the jealous one in this relationship, weren't you, Miss Heard?
I think he was indicating I was jealous of his career.
But now you've twisted it to say it was Mr. Depp that's the jealous one.
Johnny's always been very jealous. When I worked, when I did anything, friends. Yes, he's always been very jealous.
Depp's attorney returning to that infamous fight in 2015 in Australia, which allegedly left Depp with a severed finger, questioning why there were no medical records stemming from the alleged sexual assault, which Heard said left her bleeding.
And there is not a single medical record reflecting treatment for any of those injuries, is there, Miss Heard?
I didn't seek treatment.
Asked whether she was responsible for any of the writing on the walls from that incident, Heard saying no, that it was all Depp.
I can't promise you I won't get physical again. God, I sometimes get so mad I lose it.
Playing audio recordings of their fights.
You got physical with Mr. Depp often during your relationship, didn't you?
I had to defend myself as best I could. Didn't seem to make much of a difference.
You just couldn't control yourself, could you, Miss Heard?
I tried to defend myself when I could, but it was after years of not defending myself.
I accidentally, I swear, when I was trying to close the door, I guess it scraped your toes. I didn't mean to do that. And then you clocked me.
I remember hitting you as a response to the door thing.
You didn't mean to hit me in the head with the door, but you meant to punch me in the jaw.
Okay, I'm sorry I hit you. I did mean to hit you, but it was in response. I just reacted in response to my foot. I just reacted.
The cross-examination ending with questions about Heard's ex, Tasia Van Ree, and allegations of abuse in that relationship, and an effort to show a pattern of Heard being the aggressor.
So Mr. Depp is not the only domestic partner you've assaulted, is he, Miss Heard?
I've never assaulted Mr. Depp or anyone else that I've been romantically linked to, ever.
Heard insists that the 2018 Washington Post op-ed she penned labeling herself a public figure representing domestic abuse had nothing to do with Depp.
This is about Mr. Depp, isn't it?
No, It's not about Johnny. It's about what happened to me after.
It's that very op-ed that Depp is suing Heard over for $50 million, saying the implications that it was about him were clear despite never naming him, claiming it cost the 58-year-old movie roles despite his insistence he never physically hurt her. 38-year-old Heard countersuing Depp for $100 million for calling her a liar and claiming Depp's team orchestrated an ongoing smear campaign against her. Closing arguments are set for May 27th.
Quite the contentious divorce there, or aftermath. Our thanks to Janai for that.